In July 2025, a multidisciplinary team from Shiv Nadar University, Stanford McGill, and the Archaeological Survey of India kicked off new excavations right here in Maski, Karnataka, around Mallikarjun Hill and the Anjaneya Swami Temple. Imagine the scene: archaeologists hunched over sun-baked ground, carefully sieving soil and slowly brushing the dust off ancient secrets. Over the next few months, what they uncovered was nothing short of extraordinary. Hidden just beneath the earth were artifacts dating back nearly 4,000 years, placing Maski firmly in the Neolithic Chalcolithic era, somewhere between the 11th and 14th century BCE. Now, think about that for a second. These relics rewrote the story of Maski, pushing its roots thousands of years deeper than anyone expected. Among the finds, earthen pots, beautifully crafted cooking utensils, razor-sharp microlith blades, and even ornamental beads. Each piece tells a story, a glimpse into the daily lives of people who once called this place home. It's more than just pottery and stone, it's evidence of a thriving, organized settlement, a society that flourished here long before history gave them credit. But this isn't Maski's first moment in the spotlight. Back in 1915, the famous Ashoka Edict was discovered, etched into the rock at Durgadagada outcrop. That single inscription was a game-changer, revealing Emperor Ashoka's use of his name in his edicts for the first time. Now, with these new discoveries, archaeologists are taking Maski's story back even further, expanding its legacy by another 2,500 years. This excavation is just one part of the larger Maski archaeological research project. The team surveyed over 270 sites across the region, unearthing layers that show Maski's continuous occupation through Neolithic, megalithic, early historic, and even medieval times. It's like peeling back layers of time, each one with its own secrets and surprises. For history buffs like me, this is the stuff dreams are made of. This groundbreaking discovery not only offers new insights into early civilization in South India, but also underlines just how important Maski is to our ancient heritage. If you're fascinated by stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's so much more hidden history waiting to be uncovered.